In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer in Google Slides. This is perfect for timed activities, quick breaks, or keeping presentations on track. I'll walk you through it in a clear, simple way so you can get a countdown running right inside your slideshow. Start by opening Google Slides in your web browser. On the home screen, you'll see a section labeled Recent Presentations. Click that to view your most recently edited slides. From there, choose the presentation you want to use. If you don't see it immediately, you can scroll or use the search bar at the top, but once you spot the right deck, click to open it. With your presentation open, look toward the top of the screen for the menu bar. Find the View menu. Go ahead and click View, and then select Slideshow. This switches you into full screen presenting mode so you can access the timer controls. Once you're in slideshow mode, move your mouse to make the controls appear. In the lower left corner, you'll see a small toolbar. Click the three-dot menu to open more options. This is where the timer lives. Choose the timer option, then pick the amount of time you want. You'll usually see preset durations, great for quick choices like 1, 2, or 5 minutes. Select the time that fits your activity, and the countdown will show on screen. A few tips while you're here. If the controls don't appear right away, just wiggle your mouse or tap the trackpad. Most timers let you start, pause, or reset, so if your audience needs a moment, you can pause and resume without leaving the slideshow. Keep in mind that the timer is visual. It won't play a loud alarm. If you need an audible cue, plan to give a quick verbal "time's up" at the end. To end the slideshow at any time, press the Escape key. For a smooth presentation, test your timer before you start. Confirm the duration displays correctly and that the countdown is visible against your slide background. If you're using a remote clicker, remember you'll still need to move the cursor to reveal the three-dot menu when you want to adjust the timer. That's it. Open your deck, go to View, launch Slideshow, use the three dots in the lower left, and choose your time. With this simple workflow, you'll keep sessions focused and on schedule without leaving Google Slides. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.